Hey, welcome back to my channel, and this is your girl Eves once here again. Today I'm bringing to you a serum to get rid of hyperpigmentation on your body and on your face. This serum is also going to help get rid of dark knuckles, dark elbows, and dark knees. Without wasting time, let's just get started. Now I'm going to need some niacinamide powder. I've got my licorice root extract. I've got glycerin, this is vegetable glycerin, and I've got my aloe vera gel based face cream. I have here some coconut oil, and I've got here a dark bottle to store the serum. This is very important, it has to be dark, you can't use a transparent one. Before I start, I must tell you that contents and measurements are very important. You must follow the exact measurements, or else you might even end up irritating your skin. Now I'll get a bowl and come in with about 1 tablespoonful of licorice root extract. This is equivalent to about 10 grams. I'll come in with 5 grams of niacinamide powder. I'll go ahead and mix it up. I'll drop in a teaspoon of vegetable glycerin and another teaspoon of my aloe vera gel, a teaspoon of coconut oil. I'll give it a very good mix, and I'll transfer it into my clean dark bottle. So I'll cover this up and I can keep it in my bathroom cabinet. As you can see, I prefer making very small batches and making new ones if I run out. I must say this is very concentrated. If you want to use it as, a facial serum, you should use this twice a week. Or you can mix it up with your cream or lotion to use it daily. You just take a pea amount and put it on the affected area, massage it gently and let it absorb into the skin. This is especially good for the elbows, the knuckles, and your knees. It will give you a softer, smoother, a brighter, even toned skin. Putting niacinamide and licorice together is a bomb. Talk about removing acne scars, sunburn, irritations. This is all you need. It also helps in the elasticity of your skin, getting rid of fine lines and giving you a baby soft skin. So I hope this did help you, and I hope you are going to give this a try. If you do, let me know how it comes out for you. If you've not subscribed, please don't forget to hit the subscribe button. Don't forget to share this with family and friends, and don't forget to leave me that big fat thumbs up. Until next time, I am going to see you again with another nice and interesting one. Bye bye.